A significant amount of time and energy can be wasted in your shuttle turn. So let's take a look at an efficient turn and some examples of common mistakes. A good turn has you approaching the cone with some speed and adjusting your strides as you close to strike your turn with the opposite leg at each end of the shuttle to keep loading even between your left and right sides. Your approach should have you beginning to turn sideways both at the hips and the shoulders as you plant your inside foot sideways one step before you turn. Stay low as you strike with the outside foot on or just over the line at your cone to change direction. As you accelerate in the opposite direction, the leading leg should have your toes pointing the way you want to go. Stay low, drive with your arms, take small choppy strides with longer pushes on the floor that transition to longer strides with shorter, punchy strikes on the floor. When you hit your change of direction, the key is to stay low and lean in the direction you want to head and face that direction as quickly as practical. You should feel agile, not cumbersome. Common mistakes are overshooting the line. Even an otherwise good quality turn that consistently oversteps the line will drop the total distance you can cover in your shuttle session. Staying too high, resulting in an upright change of direction and not enough lean to accelerate efficiently back out again. Lunging to the line without turning. This is slow and energy sapping. Hopping bounces. They may feel energy efficient, but they're slow. Running in too straight. It's slow and feels like you're trying to turn the Titanic. Running in a circle. This feels energy efficient, but it's super slow. The only time I'd recommend this approach is if you've got an injury you're not wanting to aggravate. The quality of your turn is massively dependent on the running surface and your footwear, and even an efficient turn on a poor surface will obviously be slow. So it's important when you perform your MAS test, you do this in the same footwear and on the same running surface that you'll be training on. We'll then factor in your typical turn time between 0.7 seconds and 1.5 seconds, depending on your turn quality and the conditions. 1 second turns are typical. There's a lot of athletic benefit to getting good at absorbing and generating force in your shuttle turns. It's worth spending some time getting good at them. This will turn your MAS shuttle interval sessions into much more than just pure cardio conditioning.